Hi guys, I'm Eric, and welcome back to CanadaCasino, your guide for online gambling. In today's video, we're going to be going over the similarities and differences between Texas Hold'em poker and Pot Limit Omaha. Pot Limit Omaha has the same overall gameplay as Texas Hold'em, which is why I strongly suggest for you to watch our beginner's guide to poker and also our beginner's guide to Omaha Hi-Lo, because it is a fun game overall. PLO, Pot Limit Omaha, means the player cannot bet more than the value of the pot at that time, including their call. It's different to No Limit Hold'em, in which players can bet any amount they want depending on the size of their stack. In Omaha, the player is given 4 hole cards, meaning not community cards. In the game, you have to use 2 of your hole cards and 3 community cards in order to make the best hand possible. Unlike in Texas Hold'em, where you have 2 hole cards and you can use 5 cards from anywhere. Okay, so now that you know the differences between these two games, you're ready to take on our next video for a more in-depth look at Pot Limit Omaha. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like and comment, and don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss out on any future gambling content going forward. I'll see you next time.